Welcome back to the Locus Home Therapy Program educational series. Today, we'll explore the advanced level program for improving tactile sensitivity in children and young people aged 8 to 16 years. At this stage, the focus is on using sensory skills confidently during everyday routines at home and in the community. Let's start with everyday sensory activities. Cooking is a great way to introduce different textures with a real purpose. Invite your child to help wash fruit and vegetables, mix ingredients, knead dough or coat food in breadcrumbs. Begin with utensils, then encourage brief hand contact when they're ready. Agree on one small goal before you start and keep a towel nearby so cleaning up is quick and predictable. Another enjoyable activity is a texture treasure hunt. Hide natural objects or textured materials around the house or garden, and encourage your child to find and sort them by how they feel, such as smooth, rough, or soft. If needed, they can begin with gloves or tongs before progressing to direct touch. Next, encourage independence during dressing and personal care. Let your child help choose comfortable clothing, create a favourite comfort wardrobe, and offer simple choices each day. For showers and toothbrushing, involve them in planning the routine. They might choose the water temperature, the order of washing, their toothbrush or toothpaste flavour. Using a timer, favourite song or visual routine can also make these activities feel more predictable. As independence grows, celebrate every step forward, no matter how small. Confidence grows when children feel safe to explore. Return to the Locus Therapy app to continue your child's personalised programme. We'll continue supporting your child's journey in the next Locus Home Therapy program.